Home Learning Packet Day 12. Calendar report. Today is, put our finger on the 14, move it up, and we can see that today is Thursday. We're going to circle Thursday. The month is May. Circle May. The day is the 14th. Circle 1-4-14. The year is 2020. And if we write the date, or you can point along as I write, the date is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. Thursday, May 14th, 2020. The weather today, the sun's been coming out and then going away, so I would say that it is partly cloudy out today. That sun likes to peek through the clouds every once in a while, but it's not going to be out all day. The question of the day, what do you want to be when you grow up? Well, I already grew up and I am a teacher. But what do you want to be when you grow up? Then it says to ask a grown-up. Who did you ask and what was their answer? So my mom is also a teacher. Next it says to draw a picture of what you want to be when you grow up. And I'm going to draw me as a teacher. And I'll have a book in my hand. And then I'll draw the Promethean board behind me. And this is what our classroom kind of looks like when I'm up there teaching. And I really miss being up there teaching. When I went into the classroom yesterday, it was really empty and it just wasn't the same. Next we have literacy. It says to trace the letter and write it 3 more times. So our letter today is the letter J. We're going to trace that. And remember, you can take your time with it and you can just pause my video so that you can trace and write the letters. Then we have a lowercase j. Next it says to color or circle the pictures that start with the letter J. The first picture is a hand. That starts with the letter H, so we're going to let that one go. Next we have a jacket, jacket. That starts with the letter J, so we're going to circle it. Then we have a B, B, starts with the letter B, so we're not going to circle that one. Then we have a lamp, lamp. That starts with the letter L, so we're not going to circle that one either. Then we have a diamond, diamond, starts with the letter D, so we're going to leave that one blank too. Then we have jam or jelly, jelly, starts with the letter J. Some nice strawberry jelly there. We're going to circle that. Next it says to color all of the objects that are squares. The first picture we have some chocolate and it's broken off into squares. So we're going to circle that. Next we have a clock, which is a circle, so we're not going to circle that one. Then we have a window, which a window is a square, so we're going to circle it. Or it says you can color it also. Next we have a triangle, which is in the shape of a triangle, so we're not going to circle it. This one's tricky, so we have a smartphone. A smartphone is a rectangle, which looks a whole lot like a square, except that the sides aren't all the same. So we're not going to circle the smartphone rectangle. Next we have some cheese, which is in the shape of a square. See, all the sides are the same. Next is our fine motor, and it's a cute picture of a cat. We're going to trace him. And there's the cat. Next is our activity suggestion. It says to help an adult cook or bake something. So this will be a really fun project. If you help cook or bake something, I would really love it if you would upload a picture on our Teams page so that we can see what you made. It says, who did you cook or bake with? What did you make? And did you like cooking? Yes or no? Thank you guys and have a really great rest of your week.